Good morning, everyone. Today is Valentine's Day, and we're gonna talk like it's casual. I got out of a long term and the most toxic relationship. So, yeah, I'm so proud of myself. And during that time na nandun ako sa moment na hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko, I told myself that I will do everything I can pag nakawala ko dito. So, today, I'm keeping a promise to myself that I will do it. I'm gonna date myself for Valentine's. This is the first time that I'm dating myself after a very, very long time. Sasama ko kayo ngayong araw nito. Pwede mo ba plastic? Yes, it is yours. Hello guys, so I'm having my first meal of the day after fasting and after too much blood extraction. I came from the clinic for blood extraction but sayang naman yung punta ko kasi I thought isang booking lang siya with the ECG. Pero sabi nila magkaiba daw booking yun and there are no available slots na right now, so kailangan ko pa ulit bumalik. So today, mag-aasikaso ako ng something for work and I'll try as much as possible to film, but I can't promise guys. Yun lang naman, and then I'll go home after buying the meds and the supplements the doctor recommended. So yeah, come with me. Alright, so I just have to book a grab kasi I'm not sure the exact location ng pupuntahan ko. Yeah, sana hindi naman ganun kainit kasi ayokong atakihin ngayon guys. But morning Luna. Sobrang guys, sobrang tinatamad na ako sa biyahe. Kasi ang hirap talaga niya. Like, my shift is at UK time, 3 p.m. in Manila. Tapos, sabay aalis ako dito ng 12:30. Tapos, kung hindi ako sobrang aga, which is fine with me, sobrang late naman ako. I'm trying to remove
the habit of me na, ano ba yan? May lamang. I'm trying to remove the habit na lagi akong in a hurry. Yung parang lagi akong nagmamadali. Ganun. That's why maaga ako lagi gumigising. I'm trying to remove that phase na parang feeling ko lahat na lang ng bagay emergency sa buhay ko. Madalas nakakalimutan ko kung magawa ko ba yung ginagawa ko or hindi. And I think that's one of a sign na dapat mag-slow down ako sa life. Let's cook food na. So this is my baon, guys. I have here rice, fish tofu, and a bit oyster sauce sa gilid. Nothing special. Sobrang tinamot na talaga ako. And this is my breakfast. Yung ginawa ko kagabi na hindi natin na-achieve yung pudding na texture niya. And I have here bread and tofu with little rice lang. Let's see. Feeling ko, napasobra siya sa milk, guys. Kaya hindi natin na-achieve yung pudding na texture. But still, masarap naman siya. Baunin natin to in case of panic attack. Ma! Gusto na ako. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, sis.